Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well and today I am just on my journey of 100 days daily spoken English vlog, and it's my 6th day towards this journey, and let's see what the level of fluency I'm going to achieve through that journey. And yeah, if you are also working on your spoken English, then we are able to grow together. And if you are also putting some continuous efforts on your spoken English, then you can also able to notice some improvement over your spoken English. So yeah, I'm learning so many new vocabs, and I'm using that vocabs because nowadays I'm just preparing to face some interviews, and I feel loved when I am surrounded with nature like trees and over the fields. If we are able to see some greeneries, then I'm feeling more energetic. So you can see I have created my whatever blog I have created, like it's my sixth blog. So I'm preferring forest side or field side for creating my blog because here I'm feeling some specials. And so yeah, today I want to give a message here, like if you really want to improve your spoken English, then you need to take some roadmap for that, and you need to continuously follow that. Like what are the activity I'm following for improvement on my spoken English. So yeah, I have taken a premium version of PeerUp app, and I am doing a conversation with the real people, but they are unknown for me, for my for improvement on my spoken English over the PeerUp app. So I'm trying my best, I'm giving my best over this virtual application, and I have mixed kind of experiences about PeerUp app. Like some people, they are really eager to improve on their spoken English, and some people are also there who are really there for finding some girls, and likewise, and some people are very rude. So we are able to handle the peoples wisely. We just need to focus on our goal, like why I am here. So yeah, I'm just focusing on my goal, like I want to improve my spoken English. I want to sound like a fluent speaker in spoken English. So yeah, I'm just focusing on my goal, and if anyone not suited with my goal, so I'm just hanging up the call and try to speak with another person. And I have taken some premium version of that particular application. So if I'm going to do some conversation with some people, after completion of that particular conversation, I'm going to get feedback evaluation of that particular conversation. Through that particular feedback, I'm going to know like what mistakes I have done, and what is the correct form of that particular phrases or sentence that I have used in wrong form. So through that also I'm going to learn something, and I'm able to improve myself throughout the journey. And I am also doing shadowing practice. There is some native speaker of USA. The name of that particular creator is Chad, and the handle name of that particular YouTube channel is English with Chad. So I'm going to do shadowing practice with Chad on daily basis for minimum 30 minutes. And I am belong from IT background, so I have to learn more and more vocabs related with IT. So yeah, I'm also learning some vocabs which are mostly used in IT. So yeah, my dog is getting angry on some dogs because you can see there is one another dog is also came in his area, and dogs are very conscious about his location. If any other dog came into their location, then definitely they get angry. And yeah, you can see that now I think it's settled down. Another dog is going on the way. Yeah, you can see there is a war zone between two dogs, but another dog is not responding to our dogs. So yeah, I think that's concluded, and the motive of creating that particular vlog, that if you are really curious about do something or learn something, then you need to find some roadmap and need to write down some steps what you are going to follow with some consistency and discipline. Because if you are dreaming about something, then you have to take some action with some consistency and discipline. Otherwise it's not possible. So yeah, my all good wishes are also with me, with you. And yeah, I have done here a mistake. So yeah, I'm also hoping that your all good wishes is helping me in that particular journey. And if I done any mistake, then please let me know or comment, and share with your friends and family. Yeah, goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.